It's great to be in the heart of Maritime London and talking about leadership in the maritime community. I think leadership means many different things to different people, and particularly when we consider different cultures, it's really important that we reflect on the leadership needs in the workplace. And I think that workshops such as this, the Kind Leadership workshop that we're hosting at HMS President, provides a real opportunity to bring together different perspectives and consider how we can bring into best practice on board ship and on shore.
I'm here as part of the Nautical Institute Younger Members Council, and we're looking today at kind leadership. What is kind leadership and how can we introduce it and develop it within our industry? So the key outcome from today's workshop is bringing together those who work at sea and ashore. And as a younger member who's currently at sea, I have a particular interest in this as towards my future development. So we're looking at various different ideas and things that we can bring forward, and what can we actually promote going forward to help develop kind leadership on board.
I believe that leaders of today can help leaders of tomorrow. Simply by role modeling, it's important to demonstrate good behaviors, kind leadership behaviors, so that the next generation know what to emulate, what to aspire to, and it gives them some guidance of what kind leadership looks like.
At the heart of any high-performing team lies the bedrock of trust. Kind leadership forms a mechanism where we can use tools such as coaching, mentoring, reverse mentoring and 360 to improve kind leadership on board and develop our whole shipping capabilities.
For Maritime, it's quite important for Maritime to be ready for the next generation. We're already seeing a shortage of seafarers for next year. So leadership does have to catch up. I think we need to modernize leadership as much as we have modernized all the other industries. Shipping needs to catch up, and I think leadership in shipping is vital. And I think that's why today's workshop is also so important.
The role played by leadership and management at all levels within an organisation is very much key to the work that the UK Chamber is doing to improve the safety culture of the maritime industry. And this kind leadership initiative is one that's of considerable interest to us, because it's a very worthwhile contribution to the debate. It's pressing a lot of the right buttons, and it's certainly something that I will encourage members of the Chamber to take a look at.
Leaders of today can impact the leaders of tomorrow by acting as role model or mentor, so they can share their experience and knowledge and inspire the younger seafarers.
The marine industry can definitely benefit, and at the end of the day, benefit because people will be safer, they'll be happier, it's financially viable, it makes business better, and so there's no downside with safety and efficiency being two sides of the same coin. So I'm excited by the chance, this process making a difference to the industry I've been in since I was a 16-year-old boy, and trust me, that's a long time ago. So yeah, we have a fighting chance.